you said it's almost like from the very beginning when you heard this, that you are now paralyzed. You said
Yes.
almost from the beginning you were in full acceptance. Is that true?
Yes, 100%. I never felt so. Sometimes we do little talks at schools and church or wherever people invite us to come. Then I feel so. I don't feel like that anymore. But in the past, I just guilt because now the other guys, maybe we four guys, all of them say, now I went through this. There was a time I sat in the corner for 6 months, and I didn't want to talk to my family, and I was this and this. And then the other guy, yeah, I did this, and I wanted to take my life, and I wanted to drink, and a lot of things. And I was married, and I pushed my family, and I don't have that. I
So,
don't have.
so you've been
Oh,
listening to everybody who's gone through the same thing, and there
yes,
was a period of them being bitter and
yes,
angry and wanting to die, and you said you just
yes.
didn't feel that?
Yeah, some will say I was young, I'm 22 years old, my life is only starting now, and I never ever ever did that. Never.
Why do you think is that, Martin? What is it that made you just immediately accept?
It's like I said now earlier, I just think that is part of my journey on earth, part of my divine journey, the reason why I'm here on earth. It is part of it. I can't see it any other way.